Welcome back to another walk-around video at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at pre-owned, certified and reconditioned 2021 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid LE all-wheel drive in silver metallic color. This is a 5-seater SUV with fairly low kilometers. It has plenty of factory warranty left, comes with lots of great features. Equipped with 2.5-liter 4-cylinder gas engine that's paired with the 3 electric motors and automatic transmission. This powertrain produces combined 219 horsepower. Approximate fuel economy is about 6.5 liters per 100 kilometers in combined cycle. Exterior features here at the front including LED headlamps, Toyota hybrid logo with blue shade, block heater outlet integrated into the bumper, 3M paint protection on the hood and fenders. On the side, we can see black over fenders, chrome hybrid badge, a splash guard, 17-inch wheels with the black alloy rims, black painted roof railings, a roof integrated shark fin antenna, privacy rear windows with tint, body colored door handles, all-wheel drive chrome badge on the rear door. Also, this vehicle equipped with a remote starter. Exterior mirrors have integrated turning lights in them, blind spot monitor. Driver's door equipped with powered windows, power doors, window lock button, and power exterior mirror adjustment. Some silver accents, speaker, bottle holders, and storage compartment. Vehicle is very clean. In the driver's cockpit area on the floor we can find all-weather rubber mats with RAV4 badge. On the dash here, storage shelf, brightness adjustment for driver's display, automatic high beams, and front windshield wipers de-icer, power gas tank hatch release. In front of the driver, 3-spoke steering wheel, behind driver informational gauge cluster with the 4-inch digital screen in the center. As you see, mileage is very low. And on the steering wheel on the left side, we can find driver informational gauge cluster controls, hands-free, volume up and down for audio, voice intelligent assistant, dynamic radar cruise controls buttons right here with front sonar sensor and lane departure alert on-off button, and more audio controls right here. Here's our engine start, and on the dash we can find Toyota multimedia touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, battery indicator, also audio settings and Bluetooth, of course. Down below, air vents, hazard light buttons, dual automatic climate control with air conditioner, eco in heat and cooling mode, front windshield de-icer, rear window defroster, heated front seats, buttons, traction control off, storage compartment with the USB port and 12-volt connector, gear shifter knob, electronic parking brake with brake hold, trail driving mode, and eco sport and normal driving modes. We just simply turn the knob and it will turn green for eco, red for sport, and just press this button for normal. EV driving mode, when the vehicle driving solely on the battery, but when battery is fully charged. 2 cup holders, a central console armrest with storage bin, storage shelf in front of the passenger, a rear view mirror, storage for glasses, and map lights for driver and front passenger. Sun visors have integrated mirror, automatic light, and extender on the seats made of high quality black fabric material. Both a driver and a front passenger seat are manually adjustable. Rear passenger area have children's safety locks and each door power window button. Speaker, bottle holder, storage pocket behind the front passenger seat, air vents, and 12-volt connector. At the back of the central console, all-weather rubber mats in here as well. Optional armrest with cup holders. This is a 5-seater SUV, as you see, and we can fold rear seats 60-40 in order to extend pretty big cargo area. It will be completely flat as well. A children's seat anchors at the back. Map lights for rear passengers. Moving to the back, we can see rear spoiler with high-mounted stoplight, privacy rear glass with tint, our tail lights, Toyota RAV4 LE Hybrid badging, LED lights, backup camera, double exhaust tips. And let's just lift the liftgate and see our cargo area, which is over 1,000 liters of cargo space. Here we can find storage shelf. Everything's clean like a brand new vehicle. Optional light right here, hooks for cargo net. Underneath the cover, we can find spare tire with tools to replace it. Nice, roomy, and clean. Let's have a last look at this pre-owned, certified, and reconditioned 2021 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid LE all-wheel drive that we have here in stock. Very clean, nice unit, like brand new. It's reconditioned, certified, and has great features like heated front seats, Toyota multimedia touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility, Bluetooth, dual automatic climate control, USB charging ports, automatic high beams, and other great features. Stop by to test drive this fuel-efficient RAV4 today. We're located at 137 Avenue and St.Albert Trail at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, the big Toyota dealership.